Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to day two, actual day three of the trip. But so today we will be going to the park that apparently for 8 years in a row has been dubbed the #1 park in the world. Specifically a water park named Siam or CM Park, S-A, well, S-I-A-M Park. So, really excited for that, and we'll check in when we get there. Can't get over that. It's fantastic. It just gorgeous every morning. Well, we has arrived. Ocean puppies throwing water in the air. Isn't this adorable? Oh my god. He's having the bestest time. Oh, he's having the time of his life. Oh, what is this? I love this so much. Oh my god. Ocean Puppo for the win. It's one of your first thoughts, sir? They had seals at the entrance. Very nice, very nice. Yes, seals at the entrance. Wait for somebody to come flying through at like Mach 10. I didn't even know I was underwater. There's one. Yep, that's what happens. But I couldn't see or tell that I was there because I couldn't see. Fantastic. Wow. He's a big dragon. A real big dragon. Small dragon.
They're playing Christmas music, and I feel like it's summer.
It does feel quite odd to be in the summer and literally follow that guy running down the path. You know.
What's up, everyone, and welcome to a week later, Graves. I found, after I got home, that the video that I recorded recapping the day that we just had I took a picture instead of taking an actual video. So here I am. So essentially, if you didn't know or notice, we went from a water park, to a bowling alley. Since we had the fast passes, it only took us just a little over 3 hours, I want to say, and that's including the fact that we stopped, ate lunch, and then sat in the wave pool for a little while. Uh, so we left, and then went back to the hotel, put all the extra shit away, and then we were like, you know what? Let's do something, just to end off the day. And we found this underground bar slash bowling alley. It was not awesome vibe in there. The guy who owns it was awesome. Uh, they were very quick with getting drinks, and you get complimentary popcorn, which was interesting to say the least. Either way, it was a good time. As you can tell from the videos, I wasn't doing so hot. Not that I'm any good to start with, but either way, it was a fantastic time. After that, we just walked back to the hotel and pretty much just fell asleep instantly. But I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos so far. I've had a good learning experience creating them, and I think there's going to be one or two more. I think. Either way, I'm hope you're enjoying it. I look forward to doing more stuff like this in the future, because it was fun recording these kind of videos and stuff like that. But more for another day. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.